Hi everyone, and welcome to Agriculture Central. Today, I'm going to be talking about adaptogenic mushrooms, health benefits, safe mushroom examples, and how to consume. You've probably heard of them, but what exactly are they? Adaptogenic mushrooms are a type of mushroom that is believed to help the body adapt to stress and improve overall health. They are not psychoactive, meaning they do not alter your mind or perception. Adaptogenic mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and there is growing scientific evidence to support their potential health benefits. How do adaptogenic mushrooms work? Adaptogenic mushrooms are thought to work by modulating the body's stress response system, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis. When we are stressed, the HPA axis releases cortisol, a hormone that helps us to cope with stress. However, chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can have negative consequences for our health. Adaptogenic mushrooms are believed to help to regulate cortisol levels and promote a more balanced stress response. What are the potential health benefits of adaptogenic mushrooms? Some of the potential health benefits of adaptogenic mushrooms include reduced stress and anxiety, improved energy levels, enhanced cognitive function, strengthened immune system, reduced inflammation, improved sleep quality. What are some of the most common types of adaptogenic mushrooms? Some of the most well-known adaptogenic mushrooms include Reishi, Chaga, lion's mane, Cordyceps, maitake, shiitake. How can I consume adaptogenic mushrooms? Adaptogenic mushrooms can be consumed in a variety of ways, including dried mushrooms. These can be added to food or beverages. Powders. These can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or other foods. Tinctures. These can be taken by mouth. Capsules. These can be taken as supplements. Are adaptogenic mushrooms safe? Adaptogenic mushrooms are generally considered safe for most people. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before taking them, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of adaptogenic mushrooms. Thanks for watching.